Welcome to our detailed breakdown of KfW Bankengruppe's terms of service. KfW, which stands for Kreditanstalt für Wiederaufbau, is a German development bank that has been serving individuals, companies, and even the German government for decades. But how does KfW hold up when it comes to consumer banking? Let's dive into the details. KfW provides a wide range of banking services, but it primarily operates as a development bank, offering support for economic growth and social development. Unlike typical retail banks, KfW focuses heavily on projects aimed at sustainable economic growth, climate protection, and infrastructure improvement. This means their products and services are often designed with long-term goals in mind, especially for businesses and investment projects. One of the key things to understand about KfW is that they primarily work through intermediaries like commercial banks. This means that while KfW itself doesn't offer traditional checking or savings accounts to the public, it provides loans and financial assistance to individuals and companies by other banks. For example, if you're looking to finance a home or a green energy project, KfW may have specialized loans that you could access through your regular bank. Now, let's break down the terms you need to be aware of. KfW offers loans at competitive interest rates, often lower than what you'd find through a regular bank. For example, KfW offers loans for housing projects or energy-efficient renovations, with interest rates starting at around 1.5%, which can be lower depending on the specific project. However, KfW isn't without its disadvantages. One of the main drawbacks is that KfW loans are generally available only for specific projects, and you can't just walk into a KfW branch to open an account or take out a personal loan. KfW service offerings are more limited to certain niches, like student loans, green energy projects, and housing finance. Additionally, not all commercial banks offer KfW products, so availability might depend on where you're located and which bank you use. Another aspect of KfW's terms is its focus on environmental and social sustainability. Their loans, especially those aimed at renewable energy projects or energy-efficient home improvements, often come with more favorable rates. This is great for those interested in making environmentally conscious investments, but if you're looking for a general-purpose loan, KfW might not be the best fit. In terms of service, KfW partners with banks that handle the customer-facing aspects, such as loan applications and customer support. This can sometimes lead to confusion, as you may need to go through a separate institution to access KfW services. However, this structure also allows KfW to focus on its broader development and sustainability goals while partnering with other banks for the day-to-day operations. As for costs, KfW's offerings are generally more affordable than what you would find with private lenders, especially for projects in renewable energy or housing development. That said, there are still fees to consider when applying for loans through KfW's partner banks, and these fees can vary depending on the intermediary bank. The biggest takeaway here is that KfW Bankengruppe is not your typical retail bank. If you're looking for standard banking services, you might need to look elsewhere. But if you're interested in securing loans for specific projects, especially those with a focus on sustainability or development, KfW offers some of the best rates in the market. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.